All right, the professor here. Now I've got some questions that were asked about my stop motion, but they didn't really know it was stop motion at the time. They wanted to know how my 3D dog train, Max train, or Dash Hound train was running. So I told them I used stop motion. So behind me, or beside me, however I decided to do this, you'll see there's a pile of pictures that start out. Now, I think I could bring this one up. Let's see. Oh, no, we're going to bring it up in Photoshop. That's okay. We'll bring it up in Photoshop. I'll show you the first one. Probably fast forwarded through this, but Photoshop takes a bit to load up. So that'd be the first picture. But let me do that a different way so it ends up a little faster. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to go open with, and I'm going to go photos. That's faster. So there you go. That's the faster way to open it. So anyway, that's the first part of the video. And as you go on, this one here, I'll show you this one. Open with and photos. And there you go. There's some track added. And if you keep going, the next one, open with photos, and so on. So you keep taking pictures of it. So then when you get to the point where you have the train, let's see here. Okay, we're going to go with this one. Let's open this one. Open with and photos. This one here. So we have the first piece on the set. And then let's go to this next one here. Open with, again, photos. Now we have two pieces on there. There you go, two pieces. Again, the next video, open with photos. I'm repeating that many times. Now we have three pieces on the unit, which we could show you like that. Okay, so then we'll delete that out of there. And what we'll do is I'll make a significant forward here. I'm going to show you one that's a little more advanced, that's farther ahead. So what I do is I move these pieces a little bit, take a picture, pull it, take a picture, 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 so on and so on and so on. So you build up all these pictures. Let's open this one. Open with. Again, so we're at this point. It's time consuming, but the end result is really fun. Anyway, so that'll show you that's how that works. So then what I'll do is I'll get rid of this. Back to my, where are we here? We have a video here. Let's bring this over. And let's bail out of that. Let's go into videos. Let's go into this PC. Oh, no, we don't want that. Yeah, we want that. Okay, so we go down to this one. And there you go. There's putting it down. They're showing step by step. So I'm moving it piece by piece. And then I get my hand out of the way most of the time. So you can see this going piece by piece. Piece by piece. Now, certain things you have to, if you're going to use characters, you have to be able to have the feet move or be able to move in some cases, or you can pull them around. The good thing for the younger people would be to do it with Lego. Okay, so then we go to dog number 2. Okay, that's what I got classified. See, it's a little faster. So I sped it up. Now you could get away with speeding it up when you're doing something like I'm doing in a circle. You could just speed up the film after you put the stuff in and to the eye, and then we'll go dog 3. We'll see what this one does. And again, that's faster and smooth, other than a bit of the flickering of the light. Now, if you have your lighting set up perfectly and your shadows and stuff like that, which this looks decent, it does a bit of flickering, but you get the gist of it. And here we go. We're going faster. And we're building up speed, and we're going faster. And faster. Faster again. I love this video. And there you go. So that'll show you a bit about how to put together that. I'll show you the video at the end here, what I put it in. Okay, all said and done. Now you're wondering, okay, that's fine. You see how he did it, but how did he do it? So anyway, what you have to do is open up your favorite or your only, or whatever you feel, the place where you go to make videos. If you're a video maker or YouTuber or whatever you want to do, or just do family videos. So then you go to this, like I said, whichever one you have, and you select up here, and you say, okay, I'm going to make that part, that picture. There's your pictures. You call them all in, you pull them down, or you can select them all and put them all down at once, whatever you prefer. But as I'm doing it, you can see what's going on. Now, I'm going to make this full quality so it looks better. There we go. Because they don't come in at full quality. And then keep going. And then you'll figure out what you would like to put them in, how many seconds you'd like to do it. So if this just played the way it is right now, it would just go, okay, 1, 2 pieces, 3 pieces, 4 pieces, 5, keep going, and so on, and so on. So you get all the track. Then you'd put on more to actually make the train start moving. But if you notice, if I put this and make this faster, and go like this, or I could probably speed this up to 8 times. We'll see what happens there. See, it's a little faster. It's still, you can go a lot faster, but what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to cut them back. So you'll go into each one, however yours works. You could click on it, and you'd actually go in, and you could change the different sizes. You could change the let's see here, or you could pan and zoom it if you want, whatever you want to do. But you want to go into actually changing the timing of it. So you'd have to figure out, okay, I want to go into here and go, okay, I want to adjust the duration. Right now it says, that's, as far as I'm concerned, that's like 3 seconds or more. So I would go into it and I would say, okay, let's delete that. Okay, let's go here and go, let's go 0, okay, 0.5 or 0.4. So then I cut down the very beginning. I'll show you here. Probably can't see it. Let's see here. Okay, we'll go into adjust duration, and we're going to go into, that was probably so small you can't even see it. So let's make this one. Let's go here and go into it and go, let's 0, 0, 5. Okay, see how it's shortened that there. Now if I open this up, there's the one at the very beginning. It's really fast, which is what you want. So that would lay down. So that was what did we do that at? Okay, so will it remember? Let's see here. Let's go into, we'll right click and go into adjust duration again. Now this could be different on yours, on your unit or your program. So we're going to take that out and we're going to go 0, 0, 2. Did it change? Didn't change. Where did we leave the last one at? Let's see here. Just duration. What's that at? Oh, 0, 0, 4. Okay. Now we'll put on this one. Just duration. Okay. Oh, 0, 4. That's why I got 0.20. That's not what I want. I want 0, 4. Match the other one. Now it makes it down. Let's do the same thing with this one. And we will, duration. And again, and this, like I said, it's time consuming. Okay, so 0, 0, 0, and then a 4. And again, it breaks down. So if I run these two, there you go, that's fast. Let's do it again. I know this is taking a while and you want results, I get it, but you got to remember when you're doing this, like I said, it takes time, but it is rewarding. And I was a type. Oh, I put an 8 instead of a 4, a 0. Sorry, we want 0, 4, 0, 4. Okay, then again. Okay, same thing with this one. Just duration. Now we can. After you do it for a while, you get used to it, and then it's a breeze. It'll just come to you. On your program, it may be different. It may be quicker. You may be able to adjust it when you film it. I didn't. So maybe I know what my results are, what results I want to get. Now, like I said, somebody may know how to do it quicker. If you know how to do it quicker, by all means. But this is the way. And we got a couple more to do, and then I will show you this. Just duration. Again, pick those. And we're moving along. One more here. Adjust duration. Again, those ones. 0, 0, 0, 4. Okay, and we're done. So then we go here, and now watch. Now why I have 2 up here, I have no idea. Let's get rid of that one. Make it smaller. And let's play it. There you go. And once you put that into a film, you can actually speed it up. Or you can cut it down to 001. 1 second. Which is probably what you have to do. But I wanted to show you there. So there you go. And I'll show you at the very end here. Again, part of the video I put it in. And then stop at the station. Pee break. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.